Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing today? Great. So today I will be showing you the UX process behind the UI redesign of SoundCloud. Before I start, here's just a little bit about me. I'm from New York. I like to sing. I'm a dog mom, scuba diver. So SoundCloud. SoundCloud is an online audio distribution platform which started in Berlin, Germany in 2007, which enables users to upload, promote, and share audio. In 2017, after rumors of bankruptcy and after laying off hundreds of employees and shutting down 2 major locations, they managed to stay open after having a $170 million bailout. So when hearing this, I needed to find out what the business problems were. And I found that SoundCloud has a very outdated user design, and the user flow is very, very outdated, as well as there's no way to monetize. So the problem statements. The artist needs a way to directly talk to other artists that fit their criteria because they want to collaborate and work together. And because SoundCloud is filled with independent artists, they need a way to display their work on SoundCloud because they want to gain followers, streams, in order to monetize. So the hypothesis statements. We believe that more users will download SoundCloud if the user can collaborate with other artists through the Connect Fellow Artists feature. And we also believe that users will download the SoundCloud application if the user can use the application to chat with other artists. So how might we help SoundCloud users collaborate with other artists? How might we create a personal portfolio for artists to display their work? And how might we monetize through SoundCloud? Well, we need to do some research and data for that. So for the quantitative data, I had 177 surveys, which led me to find that 57% of people have attempted to use SoundCloud to collaborate with other artists, 40% of people were not successful in finding someone that matched their criteria, and 60% of people are frustrated with the mobile app design, and 46% of people have stopped using SoundCloud altogether. Then I had to find qualitative data. I did that through 10 interviews. And from this, I found some really great quotes. And I found that some people believe that SoundCloud provides a place for music producers and consumers to come together to experience something special. And people found that it was cool to upload some music that they would record and share with their friends. And they really liked how you can curate and recommend music through that because of the independent artists. But people also found that they used to use SoundCloud to collaborate, but there are better ways to do it now. And they found that there was a lack of effort and shame to all the artists on SoundCloud through the outdated user design. So the strategies. This is the affinity diagram. The affinity diagram was a way for me to organize the data I got from my surveys and interviews to find the main pains and gains. So the pain points. Searching is very hard, and there's no way for people to search for other people based on preferences. Communication is also very difficult, and there's no way to check messages and chat with anyone on the application, and there's no way to access profiles on the application or edit them. And the gains. So I believe that through the data that collaborating with other artists based on genres and skills, having a personal portfolio that serves as like a profile for the user, and having an inbox as a way to start chat with other SoundCloud users would give gain to the user. So this is the user persona that I created, Lou J. His rap name is Skeptic. He is a real estate agent and a rapper and a producer on his downtime. And through his user journey, you see that he is inspired, then he goes on and creates music and posts it to SoundCloud. But for this project, he needs a singer. And the opportunity that I found was when he went from searching to messaging to find someone to collaborate with. He found it very frustrating when searching for artists on SoundCloud because there was no way to find someone that fit his criteria. So then he had to result into going to other platforms such as Facebook groups, Instagram, and other social media platforms to find someone to collaborate with. So I then had to find the MVP. And I did that through the Moscow method, which would show the must-haves, could-haves, should-haves. There should definitely be a chat feature. There should definitely be a portfolio and a way for people to collaborate, and also to keep the same theme and have it compatible on all platforms. So the MVP is connection. We need to find a way for artists to connect with each other and to collaborate. So the wireframes. These are my concept sketches. They're really bad, but whatever. They're just basically sketches of how the user would use the happy path on this new redesign. And now this is my mid-fidelity prototype, which shows that there's a home page, a connect page, and different steps within the connect page, which leads you to a personalized profile to connect with. Then from testing my mid-fidelity, I found that users found that they liked the design, but that the connect pages were not clear and required more directions. Here's my mood board for the high fidelity prototype, and the style guide and style tile with the different typography and icons and such. And the brand personality for what I was going for was trendy, reliable, technical, and friendly. And the desirability test led to people saying that they thought it was good looking, up to date, real, reliable, technical, friendly, all good things. So now I have the visual competitive analysis. So I compared my redesign to Spotify and the SoundCloud for the home pages. And the home pages for Spotify are a little bit more organized than the original SoundCloud, and then the redesign has all of those same features. And then the profile, I use Instagram and LinkedIn and SoundCloud to show how the redesign compares. And then from my desirability testing and user flow from my high fidelity, I found that people found it hard to use this page. They found it a little glitchy. And now I'll show you my hi-fi prototype. So here's the opening SoundCloud page, which leads you to a home page where there are different categories that you could search through: features, charts, new releases, discover, podcasts. And this is who the user is. His name is Lou J, and this serves as his personal portfolio. It shows his spotlighted music, his portfolio, some events that he might attend or that he will be in, and his library. And his happy path is to connect with another artist. So we go to the connect button, and he then connects begin, and he says, I am a rapper and a producer. Then he picks what type of genre of music, and he says he likes rap, R&B, trap, soul, and he's like, I want to add one. So he adds one. He likes to do mumble rap. And then he's able to go and pick the type of artist that he's looking to connect with, and he wants a singer and songwriter. So then he's also able to pick the location. Because he's a busy guy, he doesn't want to travel too far, so he puts in his zip code, the city, and the maximum distance he's willing to travel, which is 5 miles. Then he connects. Through there, he is given a curated list of artists based on his preferences, all through with the hashtags, which help refine the results. And he decides to try to connect with this girl, Lila. He looks at her profile, sees that she's in like what he wants from a musician, so he connects with her. Then he has the ability to chat with her. And then he can send music, pictures, try to figure out a time to collaborate. Then you can check his inbox and add new messages. And yeah, that is the high fidelity. And so next steps. I want to create an advanced search bar. I want to redesign the SoundCloud library, have some micro interactions, fix the embedded music player, add videos, and hopefully send my design to SoundCloud. And conclusion. Applications, even widely used ones like SoundCloud, always have room for improvement, and creating real human interactions and networking with people based on your needs is a very desired function of this age. Thank you all so much for your time, and I will miss you all.